we got the bike started, and 4 cylinders are running. So I'm pretty proud. Amazing that it works. Tomorrow I'm gonna get some more coolant and I'm gonna do a test run, see how it works.